Leonardo da Vinci, a true Renaissance man, was a painter, sculptor, architect, musician, scientist, inventor, and more. Da Vinci's artistic genius was evident from a young age. His paintings, such as the Mona Lisa and The Last Supper, are renowned for their technical mastery, psychological depth, and innovative techniques. The Mona Lisa, with its enigmatic smile and subtle shading, remains one of the world's most famous and admired works of art. Leonardo was born in Vinci, Italy, to Sir Piero da Vinci and Caterina Butti. His father, a notary, and mother, a peasant, were not married. Beyond his artistic accomplishments, da Vinci was a curious and inventive mind. He conducted experiments in various fields, including anatomy, botany, and hydraulics. He designed innovative inventions, such as flying machines, armored vehicles, and a self-propelled cart. His notebooks, filled with detailed drawings and observations, provide a glimpse into his multifaceted intellect. Da Vinci's work was influenced by his love of nature and his fascination with human anatomy. He dissected human bodies to understand their structure and function, and his anatomical drawings are remarkably accurate and detailed. His paintings often depict natural landscapes and realistic figures, showcasing his keen observation and ability to capture the beauty of the world around him. Despite his many talents and achievements, Da Vinci's life was not without its challenges. He was often distracted by new ideas and projects, and his perfectionism led him to abandon many of his works unfinished. He also faced political turmoil and personal setbacks, which affected his career and personal life. Da Vinci died in 1519 at the age of 67, leaving behind a legacy that continues to inspire and amaze. His work has had a profound impact on Western art and culture, and his innovative spirit continues to be celebrated centuries later. Books and resources. The Notebooks of Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci, by Walter Isaacson. The Lives of the Most Excellent Painters, Sculptors, and Architects, by Giorgio Vasari. Documentaries and films. Leonardo da Vinci, 1972. The Genius of Leonardo, 2005. Leonardo da Vinci, The Machines, 2011. Da Vinci's Demons, 2013. Leonardo da Vinci's innovative spirit, artistic mastery, and scientific curiosity continue to inspire and influence art, science, and engineering. Thanks for watching.